You have danced better than Nora.
Karan, I want you to dance in the video. See that? And he's like, what? I said,
I, Neha Kakkar, want to say this. Karan Aujla is not just a great writer, he's a great composer too.
Um, there's a lot to say, but I'm just happy that this project came together, and I just want to thank Bhushan Paji, obviously Nora, and Neha for sure. You know, we've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm just happy that it came all together, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna top the charts, and I can't wait yeah, for the reaction of the audience.
Let me give you some good news here that the song's already trending on YouTube and
Let's
everywhere.
go.
Give it up for I Hi, ladies and
Let's
gentlemen.
go.
Of course, that's the song. Now we're already trending, and this song is I Hi. So I'm sure you get all these compliments every now and then. I Hi, kya kar rahe ho, kya da rahe ho? What do you have to say about this song?
I'm obsessed. I genuinely am obsessed. When Sir sent me the song the first time, I heard it. I was like, the lyrics, amazing, vibe, amazing. Sab kuch, matlab, oh, alag hai. It's an energetic, flirty, fun song, and I really wanted to do a song like this after so long. And then I heard the second version, which was with Neha Kakkar's voice. I said, oh my god, this is a hit. And I have to do this song. So shooting with Karan was such a vibe on set. I think when you see this video, you'll see us laughing in some shots, smile. This was all real, you know, because we really connected, we really had a good time. I love everything about the video, the aesthetics, the choreography, the styling, the way it was choreographed. And I just love our pairing in the video. I think the chemistry was eye-high, like literally.
I Hi, literally I Hi,
Literally,
of course.
yeah, it was just too good. Of course, and Neha's voice was just superb.
First of all, I want to tell Karan, you have danced better than Nora. Really, really. I've never seen you dancing in your videos. Yeah, yes. You have to do it this. You have to dance on the track. So no, for everybody today. So I'm very happy with that.
Okay, guys, funny story. So we went on set, first time meeting Karan, and before even meeting him, the director told me, "Ma'am, Karan ko dance nahi karna hai. Mat karo, try mat karna." So I was like, "Ah, okay." Then I immediately went to him, met him, introduced myself. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Karan, I want you to dance in the video. See that? And he's like, what? I said, yes, aapko dance karna hai. He's like, okay, okay. Then Rajit also went up to him and was like, you know, it's just one small move, right? One small move. But then he ended up doing it and he did it so well. Did you guys see it? Wasn't he so good? Like all that swag and everything. And even, you know what the funny part is? When we were doing the take, I'd forgotten the move some 2-3 times. Like I messed it up. And he was just going for it. Like fully with the clap and the shoulders. And I was like looking at him like, oh, he's gonna take my throne.
No, that was fun actually. Well, that was the only step that I knew how to do, and I was doing it for 2 hours before that, so you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much, Nora, you know, on helping me with this, and
This man right here is a star. You all know, right? He's been killing it. He's been killing it. Karan Aujla और Karan Aujla का गाना हो और मतलब नेहा कक्कर उसमें अभी तक नहीं आई तो ये तो मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता था ना तो आना ही था नेहा
no,
कक्कर.
I'm lucky to have you. Honestly, it's been a dream to work with you both from day one. Obviously, you know, you're my senior in music too. I think you're older than me too a little bit. It's okay.
मारूंगी Karan.
You know, but no, honestly. Yeah.
That is true. We all are older than. ठीक है.
But honestly, I'm I'm only learning from the best, but thank you again, Neha. You know, I
Pleasure,
really want to
pleasure.
thank you for doing this for me, honestly.
You know, Karan, मैं ज़रा right पे आ जाऊँ, मेरा right profile ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Okay, so you know, I've seen so many people talking about Karan's writing. You know, but of course, क्या होता है ना, writing जो होती है ना करण, काफ़ी सारी majority को समझ आती है. बट जो कॉम्पोजिशन समझने वाले लोग होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. एंड आई नेहा कक्कर वांट टू से दिस, करण औजला इज नॉट जस्ट अ ग्रेट राइटर, ही इज अ ग्रेट कंपोजर टू. और मुझे भूषण सर को थैंक यू बोलना था. एज ऑलवेज ही इज गिवन द बिगेस्ट सॉन्ग्स. सर एंड आई वी हैव डन द बिगेस्ट सॉन्ग्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. हमने मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस करे हैं और ये गाना तो यहीं से टी सीरीज से ही आना बनता था. एंड नोरा, what a star you are. Oh my god, what a performer she is. Guys, क्या perform करती है Nora. Big round of applause for Nora, everyone. Amazing, amazing. बहुत सारा मैं बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतना बात करने को मिलती नहीं हूँ सबको. I don't give interviews and everything, but here मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार है इस गाने के लिए और बहुत सारा प्यार है for T series and you know both of you guys. तो अब मैंने बहुत सारा बोल लिया. I think थोड़ा perform कर लेते हैं.
Let's do it, yeah.
Let's go.
Put the song
Great
on,
job, Rashid. Let's do this.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.